This video will show you how to add your modified patterns to the patterns database and show them in the Database Access tool. First, let's create a folder where you'll keep all your modified patterns. If you already have such a folder, you can skip this step. Now, launch the software, go to the Database Access tool, and open the pattern you want to modify. For this demo, we'll add a little star, but you can make any change you like. When saving the modified pattern in the folder with your patterns, be sure to keep the original file name. Don't rename it, otherwise, the system will not recognize it. Now let's tell the software how to find it. In the Database Access tool, go to Tools, then Patterns Organizer. Click the green plus to add your folder. Then click Scan. Your pattern is now in the database. In the future, when you add more patterns to the folder, you don't need to go back to the Patterns Organizer. The Scan My Folders button is available right in the Database Access tool toolbar. Now, click the Refresh button to refresh the filter. Your modified pattern is now listed, and you'll see an icon on the right showing that a user modified it. Time to make it stand out. Go to Tools, then Settings. Click the Colors by Authors tab. Enable the Use Colors for Specified Authors checkbox. Select User, that's you. Right-click on User, and choose the background color, font color, and style. Customize it to your preference. Save the changes. Click the Refresh button to refresh the filter. Now your patterns are highlighted in the Tree View filter and easy to spot. Thank you for watching.